How to cancel an AliExpress order. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel an order on AliExpress. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your AliExpress app. Now you can do so on the browser as well. If you want to do it on browser, you can search in for simply AliExpress on your browser by opening up the browser, and once you do so you'll be headed into the official website. There you'll get the link and you can head into the official web page there, and there you'll have to log into your account. Now in my case here you can see I'm on the application and I'm already logged into my account. Make sure you're logged in. Now to cancel an order, first you'll have to go to the list of your orders. Now to do so, simply on the bottom of your screen you can see various options there. You want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner, and once you do so here you can see various options, and under my orders you can see to pay, to ship, to shipped, and to reviews. Simply tap on view all option along with my orders option, and your all orders, your processing orders especially, and all orders will be shown up here. And if the cancellation is available, now if the item is already shipped then you won't be able to cancel it, but if not, then here on the processing page you'll get the cancellation option there. You'll be easily able to cancel it. So this way you can cancel an AliExpress order. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.